Hi everyone, Sherry here.
Originally, I was going to be fixing a recipe out of this Better Homes and Gardens 75 Fix Fast recipes. I still plan on making one of their desserts, but I have to modify it. So today I'll be making Black Forest Brownies. What all goes into the Black Forest Brownies? Well, in the book, which was published in 1987, it called for a Pillsbury brownie dough. I don't think they make those anymore. I've looked all over the place. So this is not going to have 4 ingredients or under like the cookbook calls for. I'll be trying to do this recipe with a regular brownie mix, and that calls for the 3 tablespoons of water, 2 large eggs, and 2/3 cup oil, and that's just for the brownie mix. For the recipe, 1 21-ounce can cherry pie filling, and 1/4 cup sliced almonds. So let's begin. So take 2 8-inch cake pans and grease them. I'm going to be using the Baker's Joy. That's the one that has the flowers in it. And I like to wipe those down so it gets all in all of the crevices. Preheat the oven to 350. So take a large bowl. If you find this refrigerated brownie dough in the refrigerator section, you can give it a try. But for the brownie mix, we'll dump in the brownie mix, 2 eggs, the 3 tablespoons of water, and the 2/3 cup oil. And mix that until thoroughly combined. Now, being says I'm making this with a mix, I did buy the 13 by 9 family size. I am not sure how that will work as opposed to the brownie refrigerated dough, because I do have to separate them in the 2 different pans. So I don't know whether the cooking times will be the same length or not. I don't know whether I really should have used 2 brownie mixes, but I don't want it too thick because it'll make one size brownie when we put them together. After you get your mix all mixed up, pour 1/2 into each of the 8-inch pans. Try to make them even. And I think they're pretty well evenly matched, I hope. So take your Black Forest brownies, put them in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until the edges are firm. And I'll check them about 25 minutes. So I took the brownies out of the oven after 19.5 minutes. They were pretty thin, so they did get done. Put them on cooling racks and let them set for 10 minutes. So take your brownies and remove them from the pans. So I have my Black Forest brownies on a platter or plate, whatever you want to put it on. Take your cherry pie filling, reserve 1/2 cup, and take the rest and put it on top of the one layer of the brownies. And then take your other brownie layer and put it on top of the cherry pie filling. All right, so now that you have your 2 layers, take your reserve cherry pie filling and put it on top of the second layer, just in the middle, to give it more decorations. If you want to do the whole thing, I would suggest having 2 cans of the cherry pie filling. Then take your 1/4 cup of almond slivers. I probably won't use that many. And then just decorate that on top of the cherries. So when Dave gets home, we'll have him do a taste test. So I decided I didn't like the cherries just right in the middle. So I opened up my other can of cherry pie filling and spread it all on the top. So here is the Black Forest brownie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It's really moist. You know what? It's not as rich as I thought it was going to be. It's really good. I thought it was going to be too rich, but it's not.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.